Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 14. The chapter which we are related with is rectification of error. As usual, we have been provided few entries, but the special thing is we are again needed to create suspense account. As you know that this 780 excess debit transferred into suspense account has been given. So when we will make suspense account, answer of that particular ledger should be 780. But as a first step, we will make rectified entries. For this, performer is in front of us. We are now ready to make our rectified entries. So first we are going to put the date. Entry is A. Commission, which is debit, please note it down. Commission can be received or can be paid. So that is why it has been clarified that it is commission which is paid because it is debit. Was not transferred to the trial balance. Look, commission debit was not written, yeah, was not transferred. So we will transfer it. Commission was required to be written on debit. We have not written. Now we will write commission on debit side. There is nothing left to be written on credit side, so you will write suspense account in our entry. So guys, in this way, entry has been completed. Let me arrange it. Credit side should be little further up. Okay, commission to suspense is our entry, and how much amount? 2430. Write down 2430 on debit side and same amount you will write on credit side. For narration, wrong commission now rectified. So guys, in this way our first entry has been completed. Now we will be solving our B entry. Total of sale book. Okay, to memorize it, we may write sale should be written on credit side. Let's see what happened. And not have been posted to sale means you were write sales on credit side, not posted to sale account. It means this has not been written. Again, we will do the same thing. If not written, we will write to rectify it. Entry has been completed. There was only one mistake. Sale was required to be written over here. We have not written. Now to rectify, sale has been written on credit side. Nothing left to be written on debit side. So we will write suspense account. Let's see how much amount. 3480. 3480 would be written over here, and same amount we will write on credit side. For narration, wrong sales now rectified. Okay guys, so in this way B entry has been completed. We will now see our C entry, which is saying sold old furniture. Furniture is sold, furniture is going out. So two furniture was required to be written, actually was entered in sales book. So they have entered in sale since it has been said book. So whatever is written on debit is same. The only mistake is on credit side furniture was required, but we have written sales. Okay, let's rectify it. Green as usual to furniture, and sale was not required, it would be written on debit side. Okay, so here we can see that sale is written on debit side and wrong sales now rectified. Let's see how much amount C. 2400. So 2400 would be written on debit side and same amount we will write On credit side, C entry is completed. Now let's see what D entry is saying. Purchase made from Raja. Okay, goods purchased from Raja. So we will write purchase. Let me select the correct line. Purchase to Raja was actual entry. Let's see what mistake done. Had been forgotten to enter in the books. Look at here, books. That means both debit and credit has been missed. So if it is missed, we will write both entries. Purchase to Raja to rectify it. Wrong purchase book now rectified. Let's see D entry amount, that is 2250. Write down 2250 on debit, and same amount we will write on credit side. In this way D entry has been completed. Let's see E entry. Cash paid to Rahman. Okay, cash is going out, so Rahman to cash is our original entry. Rahman to cash was posted to his. His is used for human, which is Rahman. So they have posted to Rahman again as I think it was 3250. Let's check it out again. So original amount was 3520. Here 3520. Okay. There is no mistake in cash as his. The word his is used. That is used for the Rahman. So you may ignore it. Now let's confirm our mistake. Original amount was 35. By mistake written 32. Less amount is written undercast. In undercast, we will do the same thing. Rahman is written on debit. So you will write Rahman on debit side. How much amount you will write? Difference of these two amounts, 3520 minus 3250. So we have got 270. Same amount would be written on credit. Nothing is left to be written on credit. So for the time being, we will write suspense account, wrong Rahman account, now rectified. Then we will see our F entry. Actually, the word Rahman is used, and wrong word doesn't look good. So we are not going to write Rahman. We may write undercast, now rectified. Okay. So let's see F entry. Goods sold to A. Okay. Actual entry was A to sales. And let's see what happened. Posted to B's account. So we were supposed to write A, but instead of A, we have written B. Okay. So how you will make rectified entry? A was required to be written, but not written. So we will write green entry as it is and red entry opposite. In this way, entry has been completed. Wrong B account now rectified. Okay, let's see how much was the amount. It was 1250. So write down 1250 on debit, and same amount we will write on credit side. Guys, entries are completed and we are now required to make suspense account. Please see over here. Past rectifying entries that has been completed. Second requirement is prepare suspense account. So in previous question we have already made suspense account. and we are now going to post it. First entry, suspense is credit. So you will choose credit side 2430. And for reference, what is written to the opposite side? Commission. So by commission, you will write the reference. Second entry, suspense. Look at here. Suspense is debit. So you will go to the debit side 3480. And here for the reference, you will write to sales. Let's see next entry. Please note it down. No suspense is present here. You can leave it. D entry. No suspense account is present in this entry as well. Leave it. Then we have got a third entry E 270. So 270 would be written on credit side. Why? Because you can see that suspense is present on credit side. What is written on the opposite side? Rahman. That would be its reference, and you will use the word by. After 270, we have got our last entry where suspense is not present. So it means all suspense entries have been completed, and this was the formula of sum already entered for the previous question. So we have got little help. So first step, total of both sides 3480, 3480, and total of these two amount is 2700. Second step is to choose larger amount. So larger amount is 3480. You write 3480 over here and 3480 over here. Larger amount has been written on total of both sides. Now see which side is the smaller side here, and you will calculate balance over here by balance. And how you will calculate the balance? Subtract smaller amount from the larger amount. Larger amount is 3480. Subtract smaller amount, which is 2700. So we have got what message over here? Okay, let it be seen, and we are going to solve it manually, I think. Okay, 3480 is your larger amount, and you are needed to subtract 2700. So we have got 780. Look at here, 780, and the answer of suspense account which was told in question is also 780, and it has been told that it is excess debit. Okay, so let's see which side was in excess. Look, 3480 debit side is excess. That means debit is more than credit. So our answer has been matched. So finally you will brought this balance down BD, and same amount you will write 780. So guys, in this way our question has been completed, answers are matched, entries are in front of you. So it's time to enter lecture. It is requested to please solve this question for more than 2-3 times, and after practicing, if you feel anything difficult, you are very open to ask your queries, problems, questions through messages, text, or you can directly meet to share your problem. I will try my best to answer your queries instantly. So it's time to end our lecture. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.